Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Spider-Man in an adorable chibi style with his classic red and blue suit and that iconic web pattern. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more tutorials coming your way. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's bring this cute little hero to life. Let's start with the eyes, just like we always do. Big, rounded chibi shapes. Even though Spider-Man's mask already has large lenses, here we soften them to make them extra cute. Around the eyes, we add that thick black outline, giving strong contrast and making the expression pop beautifully. Oh, if any step feels tricky, feel free to pause the video and take your time. Drawing should always be fun and relaxed. Spider-Man first appeared in 1962 in Amazing Fantasy number 15. He was created by Stan Lee and Steve Ditko. His real name is Peter Parker, a teenage science genius from New York. Right between the eyes, we place a tiny, subtle nose, very soft and minimal, just to guide the center of the face. Let's add the cheeks, slightly puffy and rounded, giving him that soft and adorable look. Now we define the overall head, much larger than the body, embracing that classic chibi proportion. On the side, we lightly suggest the ear shape under the fabric, imagining the mask as cloth so the ear gently shows through. Next, we draw the web pattern on the mask, using simple, curved lines that spread naturally across the surface. Spider-Man gained his powers after being bitten by a radioactive spider. His abilities include wall crawling, super agility, and his famous spider sense. The phrase, "with great power comes great responsibility," is one of the most iconic lines in comic history. Unlike many heroes, Spider-Man originally built his own web shooters using science. He is known for his humor, often making jokes even during intense battles. Spider-Man is one of the most relatable superheroes because he deals with everyday problems. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And hey, check out our playlist with more Chibi characters from different franchises by clicking the card up here. Which character would you like to see next? And in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or Chibi? Tell us in the comments. Add a small and simple neck, just enough to connect the oversized head to the tiny body. For the torso, we create a pear-shaped body, wider at the bottom to enhance the chibi style. Now the left arm, short and rounded, with the glove showing subtle web textures. We keep the left hand simple, like a mitten shape, without worrying too much about individual fingers. Moving to the right arm, we repeat the same chibi proportions, adding the red suit details and web lines. Over the years, multiple characters have taken the Spider-Man mantle. Miles Morales is one of the most popular alternate Spider-Man in modern comics. Spider-Man has starred in numerous animated series, movies, and video games. The character helped redefine teenage superheroes in comics. His suit design, especially the web pattern, became one of the most recognizable in pop culture. Spider-Man is a core member of the Avengers in many storylines. He has one of the most famous rogues galleries, including villains like Green Goblin and Dr. Octopus. His stories often balance action, humor, and emotional moments. Spider-Man is one of Marvel's most successful and beloved characters worldwide. The character continues to evolve with new versions across comics, films, and games. In the center of the chest, we draw the iconic spider symbol, small but very recognizable. Then we add more web textures across the chest and belt area, keeping everything clean and stylized. For the lower body, we draw short, chubby legs, keeping the proportions balanced with the big head. The legs remain simple and rounded, reinforcing the cute, compact silhouette. Now, for the boots, we include the same web pattern detail to match the upper part of the suit. For colors, we use bright red and blue as the main palette, with black web lines, but feel free to color it your own way and get creative. And here's our Spider-Man, tiny, heroic, and full of chibi charm. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.